CoinPayments wallet app. The pros, the cons. When it comes to managing and spending crypto, the CoinPayments wallet app stands out as one of the oldest and most established platforms in the industry. But is it really as good as its reputation suggests? The surprising truth is, it depends on what kind of crypto user you are. Let's start with the pros. CoinPayments was designed to bridge the gap between merchants and everyday crypto users. It supports over 20 cryptocurrencies, more than almost any other wallet on the market. That's huge if you hold multiple altcoins or run a business that accepts crypto payments. The app makes transactions incredibly simple. You can send, receive, or store crypto with just a few taps. Plus, its built-in conversion feature allows you to swap coins directly inside the wallet without going to an external exchange. One of CoinPayments' strongest advantages is its merchant integration. Businesses can accept crypto payments from anywhere in the world using the app's plugins for Shopify, WooCommerce, and other major e-commerce platforms. This makes it a perfect choice for online sellers looking to expand into digital currencies. Security is also a strong point. The app uses multi-signature technology, cold storage, and two-factor authentication to keep user funds safe. Now, let's look at the cons. While it's great for businesses, CoinPayments charges small transaction and conversion fees, which can add up over time. Some users have also mentioned slow withdrawal times during heavy network activity. Another downside is that CoinPayments is a custodial wallet, meaning your private keys are not fully in your control. If complete decentralization is your goal, that's worth considering. In conclusion, CoinPayments is a powerhouse wallet for users who value convenience, multi-coin support, and merchant tools. But if you're a hardcore crypto purist who wants total control of your keys, you might prefer a non-custodial alternative. Still, for versatility and ease of use, CoinPayments remains one of the most practical crypto wallets in the world.